Wonderful people, it's a beautiful day. MPJ Digital here, and of course we are number one great content and great vibes for your page. Now leo niko hapa mbele ya IVC Church Eldoret, and as you can hear behind me kuna dress rehearsals inaendelea, and if you can follow me, let's see what's going on inside. As you can hear, mazoezi inaendelea. Kastin Bogo and the others are here to actually prepare for the event that is starting tonight from about 8 p.m. onwards into the morning of tomorrow the 7th. Wonderful dress rehearsal, as you can see. If that you're home, you don't have a plug tonight, this is the place to be, because God has good intentions for your life. Dhabihu Worship Aura Season 3, right here at IVC Church Eldoret. MPJ Digital, may God bless you. Bye.